Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'll tell you if you're worried about iPhone privacy, do this with Control Center. In iOS, the Control Center can be used to quickly take a picture, jot down a note and turn on the lights, control your Apple TV and much more. It's useful and convenient because you don't even have to unlock your iPhone or iPad to use it. However, with that convenience comes a potential security issue. If you use Control Center to create instant notes, for example, you might not want anyone to be able to get at them just by picking up your device and swiping on the lock screen. If you are concerned about such a possibility, don't be. Fortunately, there is an option in iOS that enables you to disable access to the Control Center from the lock screen. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you do this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to Face ID and passcode. Next, enter your passcode if prompted. Next, scroll down. Here you will see the option of Control Center. Tap on its toggle button to disable it. Of course, finding the right balance between convenience and security is a personal preference, but disabling Control Center on the lock screen is less of an issue. Now that most new iPhones have Face ID, which makes unlocking your device as easy as picking it up, thankfully anyone who is not you won't be afforded the same luxury. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to hide Control Center from lock screen, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.